What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Gaming Tech Bro back with another video, and today we're going to be looking at the Viper Ultimate V2 Pro. Let's dive into it. The Razer Viper V2 Pro straight out of the box comes with the mouse, which I got in white. It also comes in black. It also comes with a wireless USB dongle, 2.4 gigahertz, as well as the dongle adapter. Also out of the box, they provide you with a USB-A to USB-C Speed Flex cable. They also give you a pamphlet, as well as, last but not least, some stickers. Now, I can't lie, straight out of the box, this mouse feels pretty good. It's coming in at 59 grams compared to its predecessor that came in at 74 grams. Now, it's said that the battery life for this is 70 hours, but I'll have to test it out and see. Now, this mouse itself comes with the Razer optical mouse switches, Gen 3, as well as the Razer Focus Pro 30K optical sensor. I also did forget to mention that it actually does come with some grips inside of the box. Now, of course, this isn't a full review, as you know, I've just got this out. It's just an unboxing, but it glides pretty well. No complaints on this end. It feels good to the touch, and I think this is going to be a really good mouse. Now, is it worth $150? Only time will tell, but when I do my full review, I'll definitely make sure to let you know. Now, $150 is not cheap at all. This is around the same price as the Logitech G Pro Wireless, so definitely I'm going to have to compare the two, and I'll let you know which one comes out on top. But for now, out of the box, this is pretty good, in my opinion. Alright, so I think this is the perfect time to do a sound test. Let's try it out. Alright, so there you have it. This is the Viper V2 Pro. Just a quick first impression. I'm going to try it out for a couple weeks, and I'll let you guys know what I think of it. And like always, subscribe if you enjoy the content. Leave a like, as that helps the channel a lot. And let me know what you want me to review next. What kind of mouse, or you know, if you want me to review a keyboard, anything in specific, let me know. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.